every wealthy alpha lies a mentor, a guiding star, and a source of unwavering wisdom. Even the world's most influential minds, the titans of industry, the visionaries who reshaped our reality, each one, the likes of Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, Steve Jobs, Alexander the Great, name it, all had someone who had walked the path before them.
That was one myth, but yeah, most of the myths are true. Steve he wasn't like the overall guiding, it was his idea to start a computer company even. It's sort of like what he saw was where he wanted to go. He didn't come in with this godlike, I'm going to structure things this way and set it up and run everything. It's like he was learning, because the important person was our investor, Mike Markula. Mike Markula came in and he not only put the money in, he explained the importance of marketing, that instead of being an engineering-driven company like Hewlett-Packard, we would be a marketing-driven company that has a sense of the customers. And he influenced Steve's thinking very much. You have to make things look good in your advertising and your packaging and everything. Steve got that directly from Mike.
Chris, first, wait for the jokes, men. I'm in the middle of the best parts. Okay? Yeah, so Wozniak was saying,
He's in the company, and here's their roles, and here's why they are needed. He taught us business, how to set up a company, basically. So it was very important. That was what made the difference between us and lots of other little young kids, just out of high school and college that were running around, trying to come up with an idea for a company. We had some professionalism.
So as you can see, Steve Jobs and Wozniak were mentally years ahead of their competition, even when they were probably their age. And this was thanks to their mentor. He basically saved them time. So you can see that the wisdom passed down to these titans of industry laid the foundation for the empires they built. And as thus, you have got to get a mentor. How to do that? I am going to answer that, but before I do, if you are enjoying the video, please smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to keep getting more of our great content. You can also comment down below or just say you have subscribed. We shall probably reply. Here's a good idea, by the way. If you listen to this every morning, I know you will probably take action. So without further ado, here are 5 steps you can take right now to find a mentor who will change your life. The journey to finding a mentor begins with introspection. What are your financial goals? What do you want to accomplish in the next 3 months or 1 year of your wealth chase? Define your objectives clearly, for a mentor can only guide you when they understand your destination of interest. After introspection, ask yourself who you look up to, or who is your immediate role model where you work. Yeah, I'm not that good at comedy. Yeah, but you get it. So, I was saying, who can you look up to? Or who does your network know that is where you want to be in the next 5-10 years? Find like 3 or more. Even if you can't get like 3 people, networking, which is the next step, can help. Network by attending relevant events, conferences, and seminars. Even join professional groups and online communities. Do this to connect with potential mentors, but be clear about your goals and why you think they are the right mentor for you, because that will be your elevator pitch. Also, understand how they will gain. Now, when you are networking, don't hesitate to reach out. I remember when I attended a local investment seminar that happened in my town. 2 of the speakers were John and Rachel. John, in his late 30s, had years of experience as an investor, and Rachel, in her mid-20s, had recently started her own investment portfolio. I approached them and shared my passion for finance and investing. I remember going a little too far in my hustle there, but it was all part of my charisma. This is something similar to what I said.
Love to see if you live up to the hype, but I've got options, so let me put this in your language. What's in it for moi?
Patrick Bateman, Bud Fox hybrid wannabe.
Yeah, I know I went too far there. But anyways, conversation flowed naturally. They exchanged stories of their investing journeys, the ups and downs, and the invaluable lessons they had learned with me. The beauty of it was that my enthusiasm and thirst for knowledge impressed John and Rachel. They saw a young, eager mind with incredible potential. So John turned to me and said, "You know, we have an informal investment club. We meet regularly to discuss strategies, share tips, and support each other in our investment endeavors. We'd love for you to join us." Imagine the happiness I felt stumbling across two potential mentors, just like that. That can also be you, my friend. Now, once you find your mentor, be open to learning. Listen, ask questions, and absorb their wisdom. Your mentor's experiences are a treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be shared. And there you have it. Take action with these steps and get a mentor who will get you to your financial and life goals faster. Here's a good idea, by the way. If you listen to this every morning, I know you will probably take action. So if you've loved this video, please smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get more of our great content.